y'all, Cookin Savvy here. Let's talk savvy tacos for a minute. The wonderful thing about tacos is they could be hard shell or soft, mild or spicy, loaded to the top or hardly full at all. It's completely up to you. And these taco cups take the taco experience up a level, but still giving you that versatility and the flavor that we all love. Start by browning ground beef with taco seasoning. Cut tortillas in half and then in half again to make 4 pieces. Place 2 pieces of the tortilla in each hole of a muffin tin. Place the ground beef in each hole, then top with shredded cheese. Bake for 15 minutes at 350 degrees or until the tortillas are as crispy as you like. While those are cooking, shred up some lettuce and cilantro. Now the fun begins. Top each cup with your favorite toppings, like sour cream and salsa, lettuce and cilantro, or guacamole and black olives. So whether you're hosting game day, Taco Tuesday, or even Fiesta Friday, give this one a try. Now that's what I call a savvy taco temptation. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and until next time, I'll be doing my best at Cookin Savvy.